Let's replace the engine air filter on this 2021 Toyota Rav4. Engine air filter is located on the driver's side next to the battery and the fuse box. So first step is let's loosen this bolt here. It's a tension bolt. You need to release the tension of the bolt. Okay, so you can slide this bolt off the engine air box. Good. And this, that, so, and put it that way. Right, and put it on the side. And let's remove our air filter. And let's put the new one in. Let's hold up the top of the air box and slide the new air filter in there. That's it. So now we're going to put the top of the air box down and slide the bolt over this. Okay. And we're gonna now we're going to slide this part here right in there and engage those clips and do the same thing here. And let's tighten the bolt. You can use a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver if you like. And to using a screwdriver here, you're going to tighten that bolt to put tension on the bolt so it doesn't slide out. Perfect. Everything tight and secure. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.